It's a very special day for me, for you, and for all of us. As we celebrate our 23rd birthday, we have created many milestones. We have taken this journey with its hardships, with its challenges, and with its trials. But today I'd like to celebrate you, me, us, because together as a family, this day needs celebration. And truly, let's make the future birthdays more special than the years gone by. So I'd like to wish you all, once again, a very happy birthday, and thank you. Thank you for being a part of this family. Thank you for creating us to be so special. So happy birthday!
सपनों से बढ़कर मोदीकेयर है, परवानों से बढ़कर हम हैं मोदीकेयर, 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 हम हैं मोदीकेयर, मोदीकेयर।